Since 2018, I've been filming. Self-taught, no industry experience, just passion and YouTube tutorials. But in all those years, I never really stepped in front of the camera as an actor. Until now.
I don't even hate you. I can't. I just hate myself so much for letting you turn me into a fool.
I joined an acting and directing class, thinking it would just refine my skills. What I did not expect was how much it would change my entire perspective on filmmaking.
It has been going down consistently.
The first 2 days were all about directing, learning how to guide actors, frame scenes, and bring a vision to life. Here's the crazy part. We got to direct Ejoor and Frankson.
Everybody knows this man they do. If you find my trouble, you go collect.
Yeah, why don't you say it right?
This was my first taste of what it's like to work with established actors, and it's made one thing very clear. Your movie is only as good as the hands and brains involved. I always thought directing was about control. Turns out, it's about aligning minds, guiding the energy, and letting the magic happen.
You made me fall in love with someone that did this. Do you know how traumatizing that is? Oh my God!
Then came the acting classes, probably the most intense 2 days of my life.
I am not afraid of those men.
We had actors like Charles Born and Ejoor break down their process.
How do I deliver this job to be remembered? That's really important for me, right? There's an anger inside me, but I'm sad. That's how it hurts.
Those little details that turn a performance into an experience. Then it hits me. Acting is not just pretending. It's a science, a craft, and yeah, I've got a long way to go. The last day we had to bring everything together. I directed 2 monologues, a scene.
She called in my wife.
No, you shouldn't wait for that. Folding hands feels defensive. Yeah. No, I love the way you folded hands to that question because you were defensive.
And then I stepped in front of the camera myself. If directing felt like home, acting felt like a new world. A world I barely understand, but one I'm curious to explore. And one of the coolest moments, Jblaze, yeah, that Jblaze. He saw my editor's reel, loved that I was cut to music, and that meant a lot. So what did I learn? Filmmaking isn't a solo journey, it's a village. A film is only as good as the minds behind it, and I can't wait to keep building, learning, and creating. This was just the beginning.